1 million Tests presents a new personality test. How does your future sound? There are 10 questions, pick one answer, and count your stars to see your result. Enjoy and stay tuned for new great videos. Question 1. Pick something you want to do. Go on a vacation with a friend. Start a class about your passion. To have a loving relationship. Question 2. Do you have a secret dream? More than one? No? Yes? Question 3. Do you have a talent? Yes, more than one. Not really? Yes. Question 4. Do you have a crush on someone? No? Yes? Maybe. Question 5. Do they like you back? You don't know, or it doesn't apply to you? Yes? No? Question 6. Do you have short-term plans? Yes? No? Sometimes. Question 7. Are you open to change? Depends. No? Yes? Question 8. Pick a fantasy picture. Question 9. Pick a color. Question 10. Your personality is more friendly and happy, open and adventurous, sensitive and artistic. Do you like my quiz? Give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks! From 10 to 14 stars. Your future sounds exciting if you have enough confidence in yourself to follow your true path to happiness. From 15 to 19 stars. Your future sounds full of love if you give yourself permission to trust people and open your heart. From 20 to 25 stars. Your future sounds the way you imagine it if you put aside your fears doubts, and negative thoughts about yourself. From 26 to 30 stars. Your future sounds ambitious if you allow yourself to be who you are and go after your highest dreams. One million tests, thanks you for watching. Here are some more good videos for you to watch next.